Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up something at an estate sale. This is Tricycle with a Bell. It's a little wind-up toy. I'm thinking probably from the 60s area. We'll open this and show you how it does. Well, we were at an estate sale and there was this little wind-up toy still in the box. It's called Tricycle with a Bell. Has a little boy on it. He's riding a tricycle and the bell rings, I guess. Let's open this and see what it does here. Looks like the cover for the top of it. There he is. Looks like the cape cover here fits down inside right here. We can get it down in there. Get that little thing up there. All right, we got that down in there now. That little thing fits back on there like that. Okay. There he is. All right. There's the key that winds him up right there. Little boy, there's his face. Let's wind him up and see what he'll do, okay? Gotta be careful. Whoa, look at him go. All right. See his feet riding the bicycle there? He's actually pedaling it. Not a bad looking little toy, is it? Tin type. There's the bell on the back. Whoa! Trying to get away, isn't he? When he rings the bell there on the back. Whoa, trying to get away, isn't he? There he is, all right. Nice looking little toy. Unwind it there. Yellow wheels, little tin wheel on the front. Boy's got a rubber mask, so it's probably from the 60s, okay? All right, let's take this off. So he'll go back in the box here. What is this? Came with it. Instructions for clockwork toy. Grasp the toy with the left hand. Wind the spring clockwise direction with the right hand. It is unsuitable to wind up the spring too tight or it would be damaged. Instructions. I'm not sure what language that one's in, but now then, he fits right back down inside like that. This will fit right on top here like so. The box is in great shape. Look at that little bend in it right there occasionally, but it's still in great shape. See the box there? Tricycle with a Bell, made in China, it says. I mean, what's not made in China, okay? All right, well, there it is. Found this at an estate sale. Y'all need to check those out. Sometimes you'll find some good items, okay? I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. You got a lot more of these. Go check out the playlist. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Also, check out the description below. I have links to Amazon where you can find a lot of these. Okay? Thanks for watching and see you next time.